Hello friends, my name is Bharath Kumar. Let us see about occurrence of metals. Hello friends, let us see about occurrence of metals. The crust of the earth provides metals. All ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Ore contains metals. Gangue are unwanted commercially useless things such as rocky and sandy things. Common forms of metals. Native metals, alloys, ores. Gold, native metals such as gold, silver, alloys, brass, ores, bauxite. Extraction of metals. Ore, concentration of ore. Metals of high reactivity and metals of medium reactivity. Metals of low reactivity. Metals of high reactivity undergoes electrolysis of molten ore. Metals of medium reactivity, carbonate ore. Metals of low reactivity, sulfide ore. Electrolysis of molten ore gives pure metal. Carbonate ore, it undergoes calcination and it will give oxide of metal and reduction of to metal and purification of metal. Sulfide ore undergoes roasting and gives the metal. Metal present in chlorophyll and hemoglobin is dash and dash. Common ore of mercury is dash. An alloy of any metals with mercury is called dash and the electrical conductivity of an alloy is dash than that of pure metals. A basic lining is given to a furnace by using SO2 reacts with Cl2 in the presence of sunlight to form dash. Sterling silver made up of less than 50% of silver by weight. Chlorine is a half metal. Castrite is not an ore of iron. Duralumin is a mixture of copper and tin. Bismuth is a poorest conductor of heat. Let us see multiple choice questions. The options are given below the questions. In the extraction of chlorine by electrolysis of dash. Which of the following options are correct? In the extraction of aluminium of half Herold process purified Al2O3 is mixed with CaF2 to give common impurities present in bauxite ore, or which of the following reactions occurs during calcination? Metal which is more reactive than aluminium can reduce alumina dash. Extraction of gold and silver involves leaching with cyanide ion. Silver is later recovered by dash. Extraction of copper from its sulfide ore. The metal finally obtained by the reduction of cuprous oxide dash. Aluminium is extracted from alumina by electrolysis of a molten mixture of dash. What are the metals are used in iron pillar which is located in Qutub Minar in Delhi dash. Hello friends, let us see interesting facts about metals. Metals are the only elements in the periodic table which are available as objects in pure element form. Approximately 160 minerals that are known to contain rare earths. Only 4 are currently mined for their rare earths such as laterite, clays, monazite and loparite. Sir Humphrey Davy discovered sodium only a few days after he discovered potassium. Transparent aluminium is a real material. It is called aluminium. Has far less weight and thickness than traditional bulletproof glass. The Japanese 1 yen coin is made from aluminium and is so light that it can float on water. Volcanoes with sulfur appear to run with blue lava. Thank you for watching my video.